Peace be upon you. Welcome to the course on selling designs and photos on international websites. As a designer or photographer, you can earn thousands of dollars from the idea of selling your photos and designs, which is considered one of the passive income ideas. This means you earn money from work you've already done, and you start receiving profits from it without having to work on it again. Personally, I have earned tens of thousands of dollars from selling designs on famous international websites like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Freepik, and other sites where we will learn how to sell our designs and photos in this course. To be completely honest, this field requires time and effort, but with consistency, God willing, you can earn from it. What will we sell on these websites? We will sell photos we've taken with our phones or cameras, and we'll sell images we've created using AI websites. We'll also sell designs we've made using various design programs like Photoshop and Illustrator. You can sell backgrounds, icons, logos, vectors, patterns, and more. Many people create their own pages on these sites, not just to earn money, but also to showcase their work. And in front of clients they work with, they can say, I work on well-known sites like Freepik and Shutterstock. This increases your value and standing in the job you're applying for or with the client you're dealing with. Together, we will learn how to work with the most important sites for selling designs and images, which are Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Freepik, Dreamstime, Getty Images, and Depositphotos. And there are also other sites that we will get an idea about. That was the introduction, so let's move on to the second part.